Alright, KTAuthentics here. We're going to do we're going to do some boxes, or one box from a fresh master case of Trilogy Hockey for imacpcbay. This is the fresh inner. It is sealed on both sides. Let Ian pick which one he wants to do. Ian, left or right? What's up, R. Wilson? Left or right? As you can see, I took the left one out. I just dumped a bunch of top loaders in the trash can. Alright, this is the left one. Nice and sealed. It's the last master case I have in the shop. Ooh, Trilogy. Empty box. Let me grab a Sharpie real quick. We got the blue Sharpie tonight to number the boxes. Ian, 1 through 9. No. 1 through 9. No problem, man. You gotta give me 1 through 9 on the boxes and 1 through 9 on the packs. Whenever you are ready. Steven, box 8, and then what number on the packs? 1 through 9. 3 on the packs. So 1, 2, and 3. Alright, Ian, good luck on. We got a Panarin. Subban. Sergei Bobrovsky. A red Dustin Brown. This one is 42 of 99 for the best team in hockey. The Los Angeles Kings. And Artemi Panarin, next in line, not numbered. Not numbered, Artemi Panarin. Ian, do you want all cards? I actually have one, Ian. I have one already. Part of the Kings PC. But thank you, though. I appreciate that. Oiler base. Only hits and Oiler base. Alright. Alright. I'm getting more dummy cards. So not an Oiler. Not an Oiler. We got Nicholas Patan for the Jets. That's 596 of 999. Nicholas Patan. Kane base. Alright. Dummy and Scheffler. What's up, Coach Q? What's up, Jagero? Subban. And we got Oscar Lindbergh, level 1, 278 of 399. 399 Oscar Lindbergh. Dummy, Lindholm, and Eberle. Eberle is an Oiler. Got Patrice Bergeron. And we got Brock McGinn out of 999. That's 930 out of 999. Brock McGinn. Dummy, Ducks, and not Oiler. Huberdeau. Nice. Hand number 12 of 16. Frederick Anderson, Ducks signature puck. 12 of 16. Team logo. And then we got Tarasenko. I need to grab a top loader for that. Whoa. Need to grab the thick penny sleeves, don't have them around. Gibson would have been better, yes. But Anderson hand numbered, very nice. Marc-Andre Fleury, Aaron Ekblad, Max Pacioretty, and out of 110, 510 of 110 because his debut season was 10-11. Adam Henrique for the Devils. I think that's the first numbered puck we've pulled. Schneider, Reinhardt, Anze. Corey Crawford, Pekka Rinne, and super thick Shane Prince rookie out of 599. 233 of 599 rookie premier Shane Prince. Quick. Malkin, Gaudreau, and your autograph, Mr. Oscar Lindbergh, 89 of 499. Oscar Lindbergh. Upper Deck says you should collect this guy, but it does not go for that much. Landeskog, this should just be a numbered card, I think. Should just be a numbered card. Stahl, Hartnell, and Shane Prince, 343 of 399. Rookie Premier, Shane Prince. Dummy and Duncan Keith. I think there's only one Oiler base card in there. Yep, no Kane and only one Oiler base card. Thanks again, Ian. Let me know if you want to do any more or if you